My dear students, my dear children, my
सर
dear
आप
ones,
कहाँ
my dear whatever you are, but you are very important for me. You are the future.
Say you are also important for us.
Yes. You are the future of your family. You are the future of this country. You are
सर यू
human
आर द
being.
प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दिस कंट्री
Yes. So, as we have observed that for the last 2 or 3 days, we are doing a new thing where one of you conducts the class by asking or by giving some points to speak upon. And very good going, I think, according to me, as well as you. So today, Anuj is here with us. Yes, come on, Anuj.
Yes, sir.
You're most welcome. And please,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for
please
giving me
arrange properly your position of camera so that your face can be seen properly if you have
Okay,
no problem.
okay, sir.
Right now, we are able to see the roof of your house and lights and fans and a little part of your face, you can say. So, please adjust your system, your camera system, so that you can be visible properly. Yes, very good, like that. It
Yes, sir.
has it has very great impact on the listeners when they watch us properly now, so they understand things very properly. Like very good, nice looking. Start karo beta.
Yes, sir. So first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to conduct the class. And today I am conducting the class, and I'm nervous because this is my first time. And today you are, all are familiar what is what that day is, what is today. Today is the Teachers' Day. You all know, and this day is celebrated every year on this day, 5th September, and this day is celebrated in the Jayanti of Dr. Radha Krishna Sarvapalli. And first of all, we should know about the teacher, that how what is the duty of a teacher, and how he or she should maintain his or her duty. So first of all, I'm starting with Sushil and want to ask Sushil that what is a teacher in his view.
According to me, the teacher is second God. The first God is our parents, and then, according to me, the second God is our teacher. Because without them, we are nothing. Without them, we can't become anything. If we want to become something, we need our teacher. If we want to become doctor, teacher, and policeman, and pilot, we we need our teacher. Without a teacher, we can't become anything. And the duty of a teacher is to teach the students not only subjects but also the moral duties of his, and he should also give them the knowledge of about all the things which are very important and that are useful in his life. And uh, and uh, a teacher should be a store of knowledge so that he can teach the students in a proper way. And the teacher should be polite and his behavior should be good, and so that the students can feel happy and satisfactory. So I think that the duty of teacher is to make the nation good. That's it.
Sir,
Others can take the chance of speaking. Yes.
sir,
Yes. पूछना नहीं है, बोलो.
I think the teacher word shouldn't be limited because we cannot say that teacher can be a person who really teaches in a school. I think the teacher word is for anybody. Like it is also for a children or for a stranger or for anybody. Teacher teaches thing. Like if in our life there are many person and from whom we learn a lesson. So I think that can be a teacher.
Others can also take their turn to speak if they
Sir,
want.
can I?
या कहना ही, पूछना नहीं है, बोलना है आपको.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think there are different types of teachers duty because in the schools and colleges, some teachers teaches different subjects and they don't teach subjects, but they teach us discipline, manner, and behavior, and many things about their life lessons, and they teaches us about uh, society and world's knowledge and uh, our country's knowledge, etc. So we should mm, we should know about the teachers, and uh, we should need that a teacher that can that he can teaches different types of knowledges, not only that their subjects but also different types of uh, mm, and their different types of knowledge and what is going on. That's it.
Okay, बेटा, knowledge is not taught. Knowledge is not a thing to teach. Knowledge is a fact, is an information. Okay, beta. Yes, come on, Anuj. Change the topic.
As the three students have told us that what is the meaning of a true teacher in a true aspect. And now I am turning the point and let me know, is a teacher equal to not no no are our parents equal to the teacher? Whoever wants to speak can speak.
Yes, Anuj bhai, I want to answer this question.
Yes.
So,
शाबाश. ऐसे
so
लो
we
अपने
know
अपने टर्न.
that
बोलो. हाँ.
it is it is, we know that it is obvious that parents are the first teacher
Yes.
of any child, because parents are the persons who teach their child the necessary etiquettes and things from the starting, like from the birth of the child, and thereafter the parents the turn to teach the children comes to the teachers. So we can say that parents are the first teacher, and we can say parents are can be given the title of teachers also. That's it.
I
और कोई नहीं है बोलने वाला?
I think they both are different because a teacher gives us the way to success, but a parent can do but a parent can fulfill our need and motivate us. But the teacher show the way to our success. Yes, that's it.
Sir, as I heard the past speaker said about the teacher and parents, so the past speakers said that a teacher and parents are different. But in my view, they are not different because a teacher means someone who teaches us whether it is anything. So in our life, as we can see, that parents and teachers both teaches us many things, whether they are related to our subjects or related to our society. So in my view, they both are same.
Sir,
If you are
we know that
if you are learning something from if you are learning something from anybody, it does not mean that he or she is your congress or your superior. A teacher can be anyone who teaches you good things in your life. Like I also learned something from my brother. This mean that he is my teacher, and there is nothing wrong in this. Everyone can be a teacher who teaches good things to the other people. And in a society, a teacher plays a very important role. We should learn a lot of things from our parents, and parents are our first teachers. And when we learn some things from parents not only teaches us about the society and also they also rear us from our childhood to our old age. They always want our well-being, and they want the happiness for us before there. That's it.
Sir, I want to add my views regarding this topic. As Kabir said that the duty of parents is to fulfill the child's need, but it is not true because. But yeah, I agree that parents have the duty to fulfill their child's need, but on the other hand, they also have many duties regarding their child, like to teach him how to behave with others, how to do this and this things. So we and sir, that's it.
Very good. Nice. Now, come
I
on.
want to, I want to, I also want to express my views regarding this topic that as the past speaker said, that the parents are also the teachers, and I think the parents are only the most important teachers because it is in their hand that how their child goes on. That the parents keep the children all 24/7, but the teachers only, but the students are only with teacher at a specific time like 6 to 7 hours. So it is in the hands of parents that how they teach and how they give lessons to their child and encourage them to study.
Okay. Very good. Good going. But Aditya, Lakshmi, Kajal, Khushi, Muskan, Gaurav, Simran,
Yes, sir.
they are nowhere. Why are you not trying to speak? Come on.
Sir.
Anuj, change the topic.
Sir.
No.
Okay,
Now
sir.
the topic is being changed. Yes, come on, Anuj.
Yes, sir. As we know, the previous in the previous conversation, we got a conclusion that whoever teaches us something can be called and can be given a title of a teacher.
Yes.
And, uh, and now my question is that is a teacher enough for us to make us successful?
Very good. Nice question.
Yes,
Yes.
I don't think that a teacher is enough because in our society we learn most of the things by ourselves and by observing all the people who are living around us. I know that teacher or our parents are very important, but also our life also includes the role of the our society in which we live, and we learn from our society whether they teacher or not according to their manner. That's it. So.
Hmm.
Yeah, I agree with the past speaker that a teacher is not enough for the success of a person because there is the role of others also in making a person successful, like the role of a person's family, friends, and parents, brothers, sisters, etc., and also the role of society because these also teaches a person many things and that like I can take an example that how to live in the society, uh, which types of persons do you meet in the society, do you face in the society, etc. things can etc. things are taught by others also, not only by teachers. So that's it.
Good.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Rakshit bhaiya. Uh, yes. Even a dog. Even an animal can be a teacher. Like animal teaches humanity. So they are also given a title
मतलब
of teacher.
what is the question? What is the point of that person? You know, who? Yeah, what is other than teachers? Is
Okay.
teaching enough? Is teacher enough for
Okay.
to be a successful person? And you are moving backwardly, yaar. That what is the teacher? Yeah, ठीक है, okay, you are right, yaar. Animals are our teachers, yaar. But please try to understand the question, beta. The point, yaar. You are not listening to anyone. I don't know what you are doing here, there, yaar. Your face is not visible properly. Very surprising thing, yaar. Even you are not able to fix your mobile phone at a place. This is a very great thing, yaar.
Yes, sir.
It also needs a talent. Okay, you know, it also needs a talent to ignore the things what is being asked to do. This is not good, yaar. Yes, come on. So, is there anyone?
Yes, sir, may I?
Yes.
I think a teacher is not enough for our success because sometimes we get distracted in many situation. We are confused for our goal and aim, and there are many person in our life who who help us to achieve our goals rather than a teacher like our friends, our family members, our society, our relatives.
शाबाश. यस, अभी जिन्होंने नहीं बोला है, ये तुम बारात में नहीं आए हो, तुम्हारे को धोने पत्तल मंगवाओ तुम्हारे लिए, हैं? सिंपल से क्वेश्चन, बातें आ रही है, पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं. यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक. व्हाट इज दिस? नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग द नेम टू स्पीक. आदित्य, वेयर आर यू? He has been
In the dreaming world.
He has been disappeared. Okay, ऐसे नहीं बोलोगे तुम. लक्ष्मी,
Yes, sir.
yes, नाम बोलो इनका, इनको इनविटेशन लेटर भेजो पहले. बोल.
The biggest role is your own because sometimes we feel sir unconfident.
बोल दो ना. Lacking of confidence, unconfident. हाँ.
If we feel unconfidence, so we understand ourselves that we can do it, and I think that's it, sir.
That's it, sir. सुनती नहीं है. हाँ, खुशी. चल भाई, टॉपिक चेंज कर. अब ध्यान से सुनना है, जिन्होंने नहीं बोला है मैं बोलूंगा उनका नाम. अब बेटा बैठे हुए यहाँ पर आराम से. यार कुछ मतलब कुछ तो बिल्कुल ऐसे बैठे, मतलब कोई लेना देना ही नहीं. दिख भी और नहीं रह गई तो बोल बेटा, तू पॉइंट बोल. मैं बताऊं उनको कैसे नहीं बोलते हैं. भी बोल, तू पॉइंट बोल.
Yes, sir.
सिंपल सा बोलना कोई. हाँ
Sir, yes, sir. As I heard somewhere that more than a teacher, our environment also plays a big role in our success. Because I heard somewhere that we become what we eat, what we see, and what we hear.
Yes.
And so we should have a good environment so that we can be a successful. And now I want to ask that can a book call a teacher?
Can a book
Yes,
be called? Can a book be
Can a
called,
book, yes, sir,
called a
a
teacher?
teacher?
तो सुनो सारे के सारे ध्यान से, जिन्होंने बोला नहीं है भी एक भी, उनसे बुलवाऊंगा मैं. सुन लो आराम से दो चार जनों को, जितने भी नहीं बोले ना अभी तक. बेटा तुम्हारा नाम लूंगा अभी मैं, दो चार को सुन लो पहले ढंग से जरा. हाँ, यस, कम ऑन हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Sometimes books may also be a teacher, and they may also teach us about our environment and about our surroundings too, because we can see that. Yes, sir. Because we can see that sometimes in books it is enough for us to understand about our environment and what is going on in our environment, and they also teach us moral values, that what to be done and what not to be done. Like we can say that there are many writers and many publishers who write their books on real stories, and also how to develop ourselves. So that's it, sir.
Very good.
Yes, yes, books can be called teachers because because the teachers and teaches lessons about our society and what's going on, and also some moral values and manners to live in the society. And yes, books can be called teachers, and we become what our, and we also become that what our how our environment is about. Like if we are living in a lifestyle of poor things, so we will, and we don't know anything about the other world, we will just think that this is the world only.
Hmm.
That's it.
I am also satisfied with the Harshit as he said that that books also teaches us many things, and we can understand it by the example. Then in the past time, people were not um, aware of there were not technology like this today. So many people for the motivation and getting knowledge read books, and teaches us a lot of things that a person cannot teach by reading. By reading the books, we also improves our skills such as reading skills, understanding skills, and increase the creativity. That how we can conclude the book. And after reading the book, we should be in a habit that we should conclude that what we have learnt from that book. And nowadays we do not see these types of things. In old time, people used to study the books and go deep into the books and understand the true meaning of life and how to be a good person in a life through the books only. I do not agree with them that books are a
Yes. Carry on, Harsh.
that books are teachers because books only teaches us a specific thing, and with technology and teachers, then they have no area they can spread like root in the ground.
Hmm.
But in books we have specific lines or specific chapters which we can read repeatedly, and there will be no need of reading that repeatedly. But if we learn from teachers or a human, then their knowledge can spread us a lot, and we will understand more.
Good.
And from where teachers have learned these things? From books only.
Okay. No need of quarreling,
Sir,
please.
sir,
I'm always feared of that. Please
sir,
have
sir,
patience. Please. Hmm. Anyone
sir, as the
else?
past,
Yes.
yes, sir, I can.
Why not? Why not? You are most welcome. Come on.
Yes, sir. As the past speaker said, that books can't teach us as effective as the teacher can teach.
Hmm.
And the person sitting besides him told us that these teachers is very well. So I'm in totally favor of the person who is besides him, who is Rohit, because there are many kinds of books which teaches us about our life. Our life is telling many things, and there are not specific books. There are many books, and there are many varieties in those books. So I totally agree with Rohit.
And we can
No, but
see
I
that
don't because no, but
there
I
are
don't
many books,
because
not a single book. There are many books in the society from where we can learn many things. And the teacher do not know all the books and all the knowledge from the books. And books teach us more than a teacher. If the reader is
no,
effective
but how
enough to
can you
learn
get
that,
all
the
the books
students
at
understand.
once?
The
Because we
students
can't get
understand more by
they
the
are limited in libraries, and how can you get them? Because we have limited books, and those books are rare to read.
Sir,
So,
I object.
so I
Sir,
can we can
the more
so I
the
think
more
we can
Saurav
use
is
books
taking
internet
it
rather than any
unforcefully.
teacher. I think we can use internet rather than
the
any
student
teacher.
So
Sir,
the
Gaurav is
student
taking it
understand better
unforcefully. I
by
object.
any human being because
No, but internet is very useful. We can get any explanation of any books.
sir, but there is no talk of internet between the books. It is the matter of books, and we
Well,
must speak about the books.
well,
And in mobile phone, as you talked about internet, then you did not even talk about the books that are in mobile phone. So this must
then
be a point that may be noted.
noted.
I am
Yeah.
I am
It
a
has been
position in the
noted,
Gaurav
beta. It
that
has
he
been
said that
noted.
we
Yes.
can learn
No,
things on
it
internet,
can't
but
be.
internet. Then why
Everyone
are you reading
in this
from
era,
books in
everyone has
school?
mobile.
You should also
Mobile
learn
phone. We
from
can get
internet in your
knowledge
school.
from mobile and yeah.
वो ट्रैक से आउट हो गया he got
So
out
I
of the
Well,
track.
both teacher and books play a very important role because teachers can explain much better than books.
Hmm.
And
I am in agree with
that
Rakshit
there are
that
some
that the
many
teachers
there
teach
is
by
many information that is given more nicely by books than teachers.
No, but you can get any information that teacher can't have from internet. Internet is good.
from
If
internet.
you are
Have got the
talking about
information
books,
from
not
books
about
only.
internet. The internet
The books are written by
does
teachers.
not give any every information correct. There are some information that are that are half or incorrect.
शाबाश
Sir,
Yes, I
friends,
am totally with the favor of
friends
the
can
part
cheat
of
us,
figure out
but
that sometimes the internet
Can't you
knowledge
just
is not
report them?
as
Can't you just
enough that
report
we
them?
can learn from
Well,
them.
we
Can't you
can't
just
depend
report them?
on the internet fully.
oh भाई this
We
is
should
not
have our
this is
own
not your
ideas and
parliament yaar,
opinions.
this is not
sir, this
legislative
is
assembly.
argument.
No,
Okay,
sir, this
stop,
is
stop, keep quiet,
argument, sir. This is
keep quiet, keep
parliament.
quiet, no one would speak. Keep quiet, keep
सर
quiet.
पागल हो गए
Now the class is dismissed for today because now we are going towards quarrels. Thank you very much.